You know, 80 years ago, you had a, no, I don't like the way that's it. 80 years ago, if you had a sawmill, it ran on a 120 horsepower Detroit diesel engine and it had about 5 tons of pig iron to hold a log within a 32nd inch tolerance across a stationary circle blade. And I can only imagine, I don't know what the story of this is, but I can just imagine a couple of guys sitting in a diner scratching out on a napkin saying, boy, wouldn't it be neat if you could just let the log sit and run a little light head across it. And, you know, the bandsaw mill was born. Rotate this until it sits a little flatter. So, there's many manufacturers of the bandsaw mill. This is just one of them, but it's only one of two. There are probably 30 manufacturers, but to my knowledge, there's only 2 of them that use a pneumatic tire, as opposed to a V-belt that sits in a pulley, kind of loosely, and does the driving. And I've used both kinds, and I really like this one because it's the pneumatic tire makes the blade run cooler, and it gives some forgiveness because it's running on a cushion of air. So if there's a little bit of wobble in the log, you don't break a blade. There's a little bit of forgiveness there. I like forgiveness in things. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this log. We'll talk about it more when I'm done. But let me cut it, and then we'll talk more about it. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to do a standard. I think I'll just cut it into 2x4s, and we'll have, you know, maybe have a couple of slab pieces, but otherwise it'll just be 2x4s, and you can see how it works. So here we go. Let's cut it up.